Every day, thousands of tokens launch on Solana and sniper bots buy the winners in milliseconds. Our project, Zero Block Deconstruction, asks one simple question: can we reconstruct a bot's exact decision policy using purely point-in-time on-chain evidence? The answer is yes. And here is how we did it. We built an interactive policy explorer to visualize the bot's behavioral fingerprint. By analyzing over 400,000 deployments, our model discovered that the bot strongly favors deployers with low previous history but explicitly avoids brand new zero-age wallets. Watch as we adjust the deployer's on-chain age. The model instantly updates the probability score in real time, showing exactly what triggers the bot's buy logic. To serve this instantly, we engineered a completely dependency-free serverless inference pipeline. We took an ensemble LightGBM model and transpiled it into a pure Python abstract syntax tree. This means our API endpoint on Vercel runs with zero heavy ML dependencies, no pandas, no numpy, while maintaining 100% mathematical equivalence to our frozen scientific test set. The results speak for themselves. Evaluated on a strictly chronological frozen test set, our model achieved a PRAUC of 0.396 on unseen deployers, an 8.4 times improvement over the random baseline. We eliminated all future data leakage, ensuring every feature is causal in time. We aren't claiming economic superiority, but we have proven that behavioral fingerprints exist on-chain. Check out the live interactive dashboard at the link below and explore the open source pipeline on GitHub. Thanks for watching.